So that's the smashed control panel on the digger, and what I've done, I've got the Dremel, the little cutter blade, and I've gone round and cut back the plastic to get rid of most of the sharp edges, left enough to key onto around where I can. And then the plan is to cut that piece of plastic I ordered off eBay, clear plastic it is, just covered with protective film, to fit right on top of there. And then I'll use the heat gun, which won't be a permanent fix. I can remove it if I need to, if it fills up with water or anything. So I'll go around the edge of it once I've trimmed it with the heat gun and put a seal on that could be removed in the future if need be. So let's see how it goes. So here we are. We've cut a piece of clear plastic. We've masked around it with just some electrical insulation wire. So now we're going to, while we're waiting for the heat gun to warm up, we've rounded off the edges slightly. I'm going to fill that little bit of a crack there first with some glue from the heat gun, and I'm just going to go around the edge, put a bead around it just to seal it, and it just be tacky enough to hold it on. And if I do ever get water in it or need to take it off or crack it again, I can prise it off, peel off the heat gun glue and go again with it, rather than a more permanent Owldyke fix, which will mean a harder repair to do a second time. Okay then, so that's glued on. I just went round with a bead of sealant or heat glue gum, and it should fill in the gaps, melt into it, and make a nice seal, give it enough stickiness to hold the plastic sheet in place, fill any of the gaps around the edges, and we'll see how that goes. If it fails, I can soon peel it back off. The heat glue gun does peel back off, so I'll just remove all this bit of tape I've got round here, and I'll have a check around it, see what's what, but hopefully that'll do. Stop the water getting in. It saves buying a new unit. It's only got low hours on this machine, and I didn't want to change the unit and put one with 0 hours in. God knows how much it would have cost. So that'll do. If you like it, or if this has been useful, don't forget, thumbs up, like and subscribe for more of this stuff. See you next time.